Well, let's go through the next several days what we're tracking. Tomorrow's going to be very similar to today. Still hot and humid with temperatures right around 90, but then storms will move in and drop temperatures. I think the overall timing is like today, afternoon and evening, with rain and storms moving on by. But over the weekend, we're still going to have scattered showers both days of the weekend. It's not all day, but your outdoor plans could get interrupted at times, so have a backup plan. But temperatures are going to be cooler. Highs mainly in the 80s. For some areas north and mountains, you may see in the 70s throughout the weekend. I mean, a nice start to August. And in fact, early next week with some slightly drier air, mornings may drop down to the upper 60s for a couple of mornings. Temperatures right now have taken quite a break. For many in the 70s, right where rain is occurring right now. Others have recovered back to the 80s where the rain previously rolled on by, and now things are heating back up. But if you look over the past 24 hours, repeated rounds of rain have really started to add up in the rain gauge, especially we see these orange shades here. Southern parts of Hamilton, southern parts of Bradley, parts of northern Whitfield and Catoosa. You've seen amounts 3 to 4 inches. That's why we've seen areas of flash flooding with the ground saturated. So again, any more rounds that roll by through the day tomorrow could again allow for some flash flooding. And that's the main threat even right now. Heavy downpours and lightning. Overall, these are staying below severe levels. Watch the movement, though. It is mainly to the east and to the south. Still a broken line of showers in and around the city to the north and west. Heaviest right now over eastern parts of Monroe County near the state line and just north of Murphy. But back here, again, a broken line approaching the county line with Marion and Hamilton County. So coming up and over Raccoon and Elder Mountain, some showers there. Heavier downpours just to the west of Whitwell. And then it's really heavy here. You go from, say, Somerville back to around Menlo, Fort Payne, south of Scottsboro. A lot of rain and lightning. It's all gradually moving to the south. Some of these storms near Fort Payne may have some wind gusts upwards of 50, but again, that's moving away. That main threat will stick around for about the next half hour or so. So throughout the evening, this will stick around early to mid-evening, eventually fade out. But this is the front that'll change things for the weekend. It'll gradually move up by tomorrow, keeping the chance of scattered showers and storms there, then drop temperatures just a little bit. Through late evening, showers fading out, an isolated chance overnight. Still very muggy tomorrow morning. In fact, not much will change to the afternoon. Highs back near 90. But a scattering of showers and storms during the afternoon, early evening, kind of like today, fading out by late evening. That'll further drop temperatures overnight, and then a northeasterly wind flow sets up by early Saturday morning. For many, temperatures in the 60s. A nice start to Saturday. Others, temperatures right around 70. And throughout the afternoon, in the city, low to mid 80s will be possible, but many other spots may stay in the 70s. Notice it's not raining all day Saturday, but from time to time during the afternoon, showers, a few thunder showers are possible, but much more comfortable with temperatures hovering again in the upper 70s and low 80s. Far different from what it's been much of this week. Tomorrow's still near 90 for a little while. Then some scattered showers and storms afternoon and early evening. And I want to show you the muggy meter, which has been in the oppressive level lately. It takes a little brief break. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, some slightly dry air comes in. As a result, not quite as humid, but also mornings a little cooler. So over the weekend, the high temperatures do cool down just a little bit with the showers. By Monday, a little drier. That'll provide Monday and Tuesday with morning lows in the 60s.
All right, David Glenn.